Right, good morning, we're in the Brecon beacons. We've got Dinus Rock behind us here and we're going to the Falls of Snow on a waterfall walk. Right, we're pretty much on the top now. We can hear the waterfalls just to the left of us, so we're going to navigate our way down there. Right, we definitely found it now. There's no way we can walk underneath that without putting our waterproofs on, so we're going to have to suit up. Suit it up and we're going in. Right, here we are, right underneath the waterfall. It's not actually as wet as we thought. Yeah, it's nice.
Right, past it.
Really loud.